Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Dita Nugraha. Today, I will present my comic strip. This is my comic strip. In this video, I will talking about 5 points. So, let's start. The main topic of my comic strip is stating capability and stating willingness in talking about future career and dream holiday. The learning objective of my comic strip are: first, the students are able to express use stating capability and stating willingness. Second, the students are able to respond expression use stating capability and stating willingness. Third, the students are able to identify social function, moral value, and characters in this comic strip. Fourth, the students are able to express use stating capability and stating willingness in the form of written. And last, the students are able to express stating capability and stating willingness in verbally. Basically, it is for junior high school students. This material is in syllabus on second semester of 8th grade students. But I think it is reliable to be used for adult learners. Why? Because through comic strip, the learning material can deliver in simple way, and it make learning more interesting and fun. Same as children and teenage learners, adult learners also like picture and fun learning. So I think it's reliable to be used for adult learners. Next point. My procedure in teaching with comic strip. First, as usual, the teacher greetings the students before beginning the class and asks the captain of the class to lead prayer before start learning. After that, the teacher tells the students about the learning material they will learn that day. And then, the teacher explains the material. In this case, the material is stating capability and stating willingness in talking about future career and dream holiday. After that, the teacher gives the student chance to ask if there is unclear, or maybe the teacher explains the material too fast, and then the teacher divides students into groups and asks one group to role-play the story using this comic strip, while other groups discuss about moral value, characters, and also social function of the story in this comic strip. But if it is online learning, the teacher can ask students to create their comic strips in groups. But before that, the teacher have to show tutorial how to make comic strip like this. After group present comic strip in front of the class, other groups giving feedback, and the teacher asks to other groups to mention moral value, characters, and social function of the story in this comic strip. If it is online learning, the teacher can ask all groups to present their comic strip. And last, the teacher closes the class by appreciation the students and greetings. And the last point, there are two kinds of online assessment I know: formal and informal assessment. Formal assessment is a kind of online assessment to find out the students' progress, their understanding of the material that has been taught, diagnosing their needs, as well as evaluate learning method used by teacher. The result of this assessment will contribute to the final grade. It can be a questionnaire, true or false, multiple choice, matching, essay questions, fill in the blank, and etc. Example of the formal assessment is Kahoot, Hot Potatoes, quizzes, and Google Form. While the informal assessment is not involving in the final grade. It allows students to practice the material they have learned before the formal assessment. For example, the question that the teacher asks randomly related to the material discussed. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.